Bonjour YouTubers! In today's video, we will learn how to conjugate the IR category regular verbs in French. At the end, we will do an interesting activity to learn this topic better. Let's start. In French, the regular verbs are divided in three categories: ER ending, IR ending and RE ending. Today, we will take a look at the IR ending regular verbs and their conjugations. In the previous video, we have already seen how to conjugate ER category regular verbs. So subscribe my channel to watch some interesting videos and also click on the bell icon for new video updates. There are three basic steps that you must follow to conjugate all the regular verbs. Step 1. To know the subject pronouns. For a detailed explanation on the subject pronouns, you can watch a previous video on les pronoms sujets. The link is in the description. Step 2. The stem of the verb. The stem is basically taking the full verb infinitive and removing the ending IR over here. For example, if the verb is finir, F-I-N-I-R, you remove the IR and what remains is the stem, that is F-I-N. Step 3. Add new endings. Let's take a look at a verb conjugation keeping in mind these three steps. The verb is finir, means to finish. Step 1. All the pronoms sujets, je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Step 2. The stem of the verb, here it's F-I-N, so we put F-I-N constant in front of all the pronoms sujets. Step 3. We add new endings. In je, we add is. In tu, is. In il, elle, on, it. In nous, issons. In vous, isses. In ils and elles, issent. Remember one very important rule. You must not interchange the endings with the pronouns. For sure, you must add the ending is. You cannot add any other ending like it or issons. Let's read the final conjugation one more time. Je finis, I finish. Tu finis, you finish. Il finit, he finishes. Elle finit, she finishes. On finit, one finishes. Nous finissons, we finish. Vous finissez, you all finish. Ils finissent, they finish. Elles finissent, they finish. Now, why don't you try to conjugate another IR regular verb? Let's take the verb réussir, which means to succeed. Follow the steps. Step 1. Write all the pronoms sujets. Step 2. Write the stem of the verb. Step 3. Add the new endings. So your final conjugation goes like this. Je réussis, I succeed. Tu réussis, you succeed. Il, elle, on réussit. He, she, one succeeds. Nous réussissons, we succeed. Vous réussissez, you all succeed. Il, elle réussissent, they succeed. Bravo! Now it's time for an activity. Read the sentence on the screen and select the correct conjugation of the verb from the options. Ready? First one. Nous dash la robe rouge. The correct option is choisissons. Why is it choisissons? As you can see, the sentence is starting with nous, which means our verb ending must be issons. From the options given below, only the third option has got the ending issons. Hence, that's our correct option. So, our answer is nous choisissons la robe, means we choose the red dress. Let's solve another question. Tu dash le devoir. The correct option is fini. As our subject pronoun is tu, we must select the verb conjugation which ends with is. From the given options, the first one ends with is, which makes it the right answer. Tu finis le devoir, which means you finish the homework. That was awesome! Hope you have enjoyed learning the conjugations of IR regular verbs. Stay tuned for the next video, which will be on our irregular verb conjugations. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and leave amazing comments below. Merci! Bye!